I thank you for considering my application. While I can't share specific details of the best paid backlinks I obtained due to company policy and other role in Australian BPO here in Cebu, I can walk you through the process I followed to secure high quality backlinks. In my previous job, I focused on identifying high authority domains that were relevant to clients' niche. This is crucial because the more relevant the site, the better the link performs. I would then contact webmasters or site owners to discuss placement, often negotiating terms. While some backlinks required compensation, others were arranged through link exchanges. Although this process could be time-consuming, as gathering contact information and waiting for response could take several days, it may be highly effective. We use predefined email templates to speed up outreach and keep everything organized in Excel spreadsheets, tracking emails, URLs, and company details. Following up with masters was also a key part of the strategy, as some didn't respond immediately. Overall, I believe this approach helped secure valuable links that significantly improve our clients' SEO efforts. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you.